On today's show, I want to share with you guys the 10 items that made me the most money in my sales this past few days on my eBay store. So these are the 10 items that offered me the highest profit margin. And let's talk about those right now. What's good, everybody? I appreciate you tuning in to watch this. It really means the world to me. It's your boy Mess Hall from Mess Hall Digs. Pretty much all I do, I try to find goods at the lowest price possible and flip those and try to make money online on platforms such as eBay, Mercari, Poshmark, Amazon, etc. That's what I do. It's my side hustle. It's my hobby. It's my love. I'm a treasure hunter. I love going out to thrift stores. Even I like doing some arbitraging. Okay, I'll go to Walmart, TJ Maxx, hit up. I hit up Ross and Burlington. I try to catch Plato's Closet slipping and try to find some treasures in there. So that's what I do. I scour the earth looking for deals so I can make some money online. Those are the kinds of adventures you would like to follow along and track my journey with me. Consider liking and subscribing. Or don't. It's all good. I want to jump into this list. These are the 10 things that I made the most money off of in the past few days selling. And this is item number 1. So this little bad boy is a Hot Wheels car, believe it or not. So when you do a 1-year subscription to Motor Trend, they send you a special edition Hot Wheels car with your subscription. This happened to be the one that I got. It's the show's called Roadkill, I believe. This is the General Mayhem 68 Dodge Charger. The only way you can get this car is if you have a subscription. Well, I pay $44 a year for the subscription. So let's just say the car costs $44, even though I got the year free watching videos anyway. I sold this daggone thing for 94 bucks. So almost a $50 profit margin right there. Next up on the list is this Ping Green Dot Wedge. Now, you know, if you've seen my videos before, I love golf clubs. They offer the highest profit margins for me. I sell a lot of golf clubs. This particular one costs $1.99 and I sold it for $38. So great flip there. Ping, great brand to look out for. Titleist, another good one. TaylorMade, Callaway. Check golf clubs, check comps anytime you see them. This next one was a Cuisinart stainless steel bar set. So you can get your James Bond 007 on, shaken not stirred type joint. Paid $4.99 for it. Sold it for $35 plus shipping. So this was a really good flip. I wasn't sure about it, but it was brand new in the box when I found it. Hard to pass up. Kitchen items, man cave type items that are brand new in the box for $4.99. It's hard to say no to that. Next up are these Montreal women's running shoes. Now, Montreal was kind of a new brand for me. I consider myself a sneaker aficionado. I love sneakers. I'm a sneakerhead. And when I found these, they looked like a really well-made shoe. The tread was great. They looked fantastic. So I comped them out, looked them up on my eBay, and ended up figuring out that they're a pretty good shoe. They sell really well pre-owned. So I picked these up for $6.99 and they sold for $42. This next joint was a retail arbitrage find. So I love TJ Maxx. It's one of my favorite stores to hit up. Check out their clearance. Check out what they got going on at TJ Maxx. And I found this Bratz Yasmin doll. Now, Bratz is a big brand. It's coming back. If you could find the old vintage ones, even better. This one brand new in box. I paid $30 for it. Now, if you're going to pay up for things, $30, $40, $50, $60, you gotta know that it's going to be worth a flip. I knew this was going to be a good one. I paid $30. I sold it for $77. So more than doubled my money on that one. And staying on the retail arbitrage tip, I also like going to Ross and Marshalls and places like that. Found these Doc Marten work boots. Very well made. Steel toe, leather, awesome, great boots. I paid $60 for them at Ross, but I sold them for $120. So double flip. And this next one, I mean, milestone time. So when we found this one, it was like the hottest shit. We're talking porta potty in the middle of Kuwait, in the desert, in July, 185 degree, porta potty, hot shit. Burberry. Never found it before once. Not even a bootleg fake one. In the 3 years that I've been doing this, first time finding Burberry, and I found the classic print. Paid $4.99. It was a Burberry Brit. Sold it for $200 plus shipping. Burberry. Beautiful. These Jordan metallic navy joints, the Jordan 1, one of the most classic sneakers of all time. Can we say that? Can we say that on this show? Yeah, Jordan 1 metallic navies. So I pretty much ended up getting these for free. Now I did a personal trade for a personal trade. Now my personal trade was my personal trade. Now it was something that I had purchased a while ago for myself. So I guess there was some monetary value, but I didn't give up any cash or anything. I just traded trade for trade, got these in my possession, and sold them for $160. Next up were these awesome hot pink, super hot pink Nike Free Flyknit women's running joints. This was part of the 20 sneaker lot that I purchased. I purchased 20 pairs of sneakers for $150, and they were all in this condition, like great condition. And so that works out to be, $7 and some a piece. Sold these for $42. And the last item on the list was a yard sale find. It's one of those leather, dragnet. The movie Seven, I think Brad Pitt wore one. Shoulder holsters, the leather joints, and it's got like the 2 extra clips. And you put your pistola in that thing right there, the leather nice joint. Paid $5 at a yard sale and sold it for $40 plus shipping. So, these are the profit margins that we strive for in this business, man. So let's tally up the numbers, because I know that's what y'all's is waiting on, the numbers. Like, oh yeah, it sounds good, but what are the numbers? Calculate them numbers for me, guy, and we'll see what those numbers look like. Here's the numbers for you. So my total sales minus eBay fees. eBay gonna take their little cut, little cream that's on the top. They're gonna take that off. So sales minus fees was $737. My cost of goods was $170, so we got to minus that out. I also put up about $44 worth of shipping costs, because some of those items were free shipping, some I do charge for shipping. Kind of depends on how I'm feeling. So I did put up $44 in shipping costs. So you got the $737 minus the $170 cost of goods, minus the $44 for shipping, and that gives us a total profit of $523 from just those 10 items. And I sold more than just those 10, but those are my 10 biggest. So that's an average profit margin of about $52 per item. Those are the kind of numbers that we're looking for. It doesn't happen all the time, but I at least wanted to share them with you guys. Hope your guys' sales are good. It's Q4. Things should be picking up. It's your boy. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Yeah.